I don't know why people always take so long to start their videos. It's really annoying. I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm making this hair mask. We're gonna see how it goes. I actually already started actually started making it. I'm so ugly and tired. I just woke up. MACA root powder. I already started pouring some in the cup. Okay, so I'm just about to spray my hair with some water. It's water and oil in here, but yeah. I don't even know, but I'm disgusted and I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it. Putting this stuff in my hair. And I haven't done no type of mask, nothing to my hair in so long. I just been not caring. I haven't been caring. That's probably why it's looking like the way it looks. So yeah, trying to fix that. Ooh. I'm so disgusted by things. I don't even know why. I know all the ingredients, and I'm still just like, This stuff don't smell good to me. The MACA root. I'm not a fan of the MACA root. Okay, like I thought I had way too much and it's looking like not enough. But I don't have that much. Well, I do got some more conditioner. Hold on. It's just a matter of I feel like doing that. Not really. I'm trying to make this little amount work. Okay, so now I'm going to put a bag on my head and get under a hair dryer. Uh-oh, I might get a ponytail by February. It's gonna be a wrap. So I get a ponytail, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So I'm under this dryer. Yes, at home. My mom does hair like I told y'all. So we got the hookup, okay? And get up because I'm actually hot. And I hate it under here. I hate it under here. That's why I never went to go get my hair done. I don't want to do this part, not this part. This is sad how ugly I am right now, and I don't know why. I know I just woke up, but that's not an excuse. I am like so ugly today. This is so ugly. But by the end of this video, baby. So what I put in my hair is that oil that y'all saw. I put the oil in there again, and then just Eco Styler gel. And this is the results. So it's not even like gel hard, like it doesn't feel gel hard, but it's definitely dry. And Yeah, like I feel like I use a good amount of gel. I don't know if that MACA is helping it feel soft, because I definitely use a good amount and it doesn't feel hard at all. So win-win for me. So what can I say besides it's about the only thing that worked out in my life today. Yeah, the cons of the stuff is that it stinks so bad and I just can't deal with that smell. But I'm definitely gonna do it again. I think I might do it once every 2 weeks because my hair does feel very soft. And the other con is that if the longer your hair gets, you're gonna need to use a lot of stuff, because I feel like I had a lot in that cup and it was just enough for this little fro. So yeah, that's another thing to think about. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good.